guys, it's your girl Joy Toha and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm just going to be installing this coily kinky clip-in. And guys, I got this clip-ins from Temu. I'm not going to lie, the quality shocked me. Like, I just wanted something very affordable to just try on and review, and I went on Temu. I got this. I got one bundle for about $36. This is the 18-inch. I got this 18-inch of clip-in for $36, so I had to get two because I would need two for a full head. And guys, when it came, I was so shocked at the quality, and I'm sure you guys can see that also in the video. So first of all, before installing this, I'm just going to be co-washing these bundles. So I'm going to be using this my Tresemme conditioner to wash these bundles, and I'm not going to remove them from the holder yet. I'm just going to co-wash them on the holder because it's going to be way easier that way. So I'll just apply the conditioner on the bundles and just use my comb to just should I say detangle the bundles, just to make sure it's very soft and fluffy when it's time to install. And guys, as you can see, I am starting from the ends of the hair. You don't want to start from the top because that's really not a proper way to detangle the bundles. So the hair was just very soft. Like, I wasn't stressed while using this hair, and I was just so shocked because of how affordable it was. And there wasn't also a lot of shedding. I experienced just minimal shedding, and I just did the same thing to the second bundle, and I left them to just rest in the conditioner for I think about an hour before I came to just rinse it off. And this is the shedding I got, guys. It, as you can see, it was very minimal. So I'm just gonna rinse that off, rinse all the conditioner off, and I left it to just air dry overnight. And yeah, we'll be back to install this hair. Okay. So hi guys, hi once again. So this is just my hair in all its glory. I'm just going to show you guys how I prepped my hair for the clip-in. My hair is 4C, as you can see, and the clip-ins are not 4C, they're about maybe 3A 3B, and we're just going to try to just blend this hair with the clip-ins. Okay, so as you can see, what I'm going to do, I'm going to section my hair into 4. So my hair was already kind of like pre-sectioned, so the bottom 2 at the back, I'm just going to section them and just plait that aside. And I'm going to also do that for the other one and work with the 2 sections in front. So guys, now I will be defining my center parts because I want a center part for this style, and I will also be, you know, doing some leave outs on the sides of my head just to cover the clip-ins, and I will also be leaving out my edges. Okay, I don't want my edges to be stuck in between the clip-ins, so I'm just going to leave that out so my edges can breathe. Okay, and I will be sectioning just all of them so they don't get, you know, caught up with the rest of the hair. Okay. So guys, now that we are done taking out all the leave outs, I'm just going to be sectioning those remaining 2 and just putting them in twists. And when I'm done doing that, as you can see, we have 4 sections left at the back, and I'm just going to just pin them at the back using a bobby pin, and then we can proceed to install the clip-ins. So guys, now it's time for us to install the clip-ins, and this is what it looks like up close. It felt really soft, and that's because we conditioned it the night before. So now I'm just going to take that out and just count how many pieces that came in a bundle and also show you guys. I got 8 pieces in total, and I also have another bundle, so that is a total of 16 pieces in 2 bundles. So this is just what I got, as you can see, and now I'm just going to just try that out on my head and just see which length would should I say fit some parts of my head. So that's what I'm just trying to do right now, and before I'm just going to, you know, start installing the clip-ins. So guys, for the bottom of my head, I'm going to start with this piece that has 4 clip-ins, and as you can see, this is how I'm just going to, you know, open them up. You just have to just push them from the front. And guys, while you're installing this clip-in, please just install it on your hair, okay? Don't install it too close to your scalp. If not, you're going to feel a lot of tension. So you might also, you know, have to remove it and redo it, because sometimes when you put it in wrongly, especially close to your scalp, you just feel this tension. So just keep on, you know, adjusting it until it feels quite comfortable for you. So that's just what I'm also doing, and I just, you know, try to measure the length with my head, and I just took the right piece and also install it all over my head. Okay, so it's really not hard. Clip-ins are like, honestly guys, clip-ins are so easy to install, and I think it took me about nothing more than 20 minutes honestly to install all the clip-ins. It was very quick and very fast, guys. So just watch me as I do the rest of the head, then I'll get back to you when it's time for us to blend the leave out. Okay. So guys, I was able to install all the clip-ins on my head, like the old 2 bundles, and this is the last piece I had, and I decided to just put that at the back but install it like upside down, so it's easy for me to just pack the hair up if I want to. And this is the hair, guys. It's honestly, I love this clip-in so much. It felt so breezy and also very lightweight. It didn't feel heavy at all. So now guys, for the leave out, I'm just going to spray some water on my hair, and also add and also add Eco Styler gel to my hair, just so I can just blend that well with the clip-ins. Okay. So guys, now to blend my natural hair with the clip-in, I'm just going to take a piece of my natural hair, like just a very small piece, and also take a piece of the hair on the clip-in and just twist them together. Okay, so that's how we're going to be should I say blending my hair with this clip-in. And just make sure you're taking really small pieces so it doesn't look too bulky. And I'm just going to just do the same thing all over my hair. And I know it looks a bit white. I know my hair looks a bit white due to the gel, but it dries out very clear, so you don't need to worry so much about that. And I will just do the same thing all over my edges and also the leave-ins we have in the center. And that's how we're just going to, you know, blend our hair with these clip-ins, because we, as you can see, my hair is 4C and the clip-in is, I think, around type 3. So I'm just going to do this, and it's really blended so well. And I just got so excited, honestly, seeing my hair. This clip-in is just so beautiful, and I was able to just hide my hair a bit in the clip-ins. So guys, now for the leave out at the top, we're just going to be doing the same thing. I'll just spray some water and also add Eco Styler gel to the hair. I will have to saturate it properly on the hair, and because we're working with quite a bit of hair, I'm also going to be detangling the hair. Then just doing the same thing as I did earlier, I will be taking small pieces of the hair and twisting it with the hair on the clip-ins until I am done with you know, until I'm done twisting all the hairs. Okay, so we're just going to do this slowly, and you don't need to rush. Just take small pieces of hair until you're able to just hide all your hair inside the clip-ins. Okay. So guys, now we're done twisting all the leave out in the clip-ins, and you can just take maybe like a bobby pin to just shape the hair to your favorite style. And what I did then, I also just saturated the whole hair with water, so I can just add this mousse from Lotta Body, this foaming mousse. I applied all that on the hair, and also just took some more bobby pins and just pinned it to like a favorite style. And yes guys, this hair was very easy, very simple. I hope you guys learned one or two about this hair. I will leave all the links to this hair. I got it from Temu. I will leave the link in the description box, so if you guys want to try it out, just go there and purchase some. Okay, and I made use of 2 bundles, so just have it in mind that you might have to get 2 bundles to get this style I got. And yes guys, I'm just going to go dress up and show you guys the finished look. Okay, I am so in love. This hair is so beautiful. And if you love this hairstyle, if you love this video, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.